to Home Kitchen Diaries. So today I'm going to share the recipe for beef roast. So I need not say anything special about this recipe because it's one of the most loved recipes from Care. It's a personal favorite too. So let's look into the recipe and the cooking process in detail. Beef cubed, soaked in vinegar and salt for some time, washed and drained well. Curry leaves, crushed garlic, crushed shallots, coconut slices. Vinegar, turmeric powder, chili powder, coriander powder, crushed pepper and crushed fennel seeds. Now let's move on to cooking the beef with vinegar, salt to taste, coconut slices, curry leaves, turmeric powder, a teaspoon of chili powder and coriander powder, pepper powder and crushed fennel seeds. Give it a good mix. Mix it well. Add in few drops of coconut oil also. Mix once more and cook it till done. Took 3 to 4 whistles for me. Remove the lid and see after the pressure releases completely on its own. I just opened the lid and this is what you see. A lot of water has come out, so we need to dry it up. So let's keep it on medium flame till it dries. Take another heavy bottom pan and add in 1 to 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. After it's hot enough, add in the crushed garlic. Saute it well and then the crushed shallots. Let the raw smell of both of these go away, and then you can add the remaining coconut slices and the curry leaves. Saute everything well. Let the raw smell of all these go away, and you'll see it has shrinked a little bit too. Now it's time to add in the turmeric and chili powder. So I just added the turmeric and chili powder and sauteing it well with the coriander powder. As you have noticed, I did add a small amount of all these powders while cooking the beef, and now adding the remaining. The crushed pepper and the crushed fennel seeds. Now saute everything well. Let the raw smell of all these powders go away and saute it till you see the oil. Now as the oil starts appearing, we can add the well cooked beef into this. I just drizzled a few drops of coconut oil and mixing it well. So right now everything in this is cooked well, so always keep it on low flame, and this is how it looks at this point. Continue to cook on low flame, and you can check in for salt and other masalas etc. right now, and add in like if you need to add salt or pepper right now you can add in. I just felt like adding few more curry leaves. Other than that everything is fine. And also, if you have noticed, I haven't added the meat masala or the garam masala into this recipe, but then at home if you cook with meat masala, feel free to add in the meat masala along with the fennel seeds. I just like it this way. So I did add coconut oil a couple of times. This is the final time I'm adding the coconut oil to just finish off the dish. So I'm going to stop at this point, and this color is what I'm looking for, and our beef roast is ready to be served. All the beef lovers, do try this recipe, it's really tasty. Please do give a try to this recipe and let me know how it turned out. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and support me. Cook at home, a healthy lifestyle. Thanks for watching.